Well, hello, friends and family. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Workshop. And if it's your first time here, Wowwy'z Workshop features the art of Two Brothers, One Vision. And here we use all sorts of arts, all sorts of mediums. Art is our therapy. It's our purpose. It gives us purpose in life. And it's for family. Any windfalls we share with our wolf pack. Now, speaking of pack, this is a very special video, guys. Now, if you've been around here before, you're going to know that I am an administrator and a very proud member of the Kindred Spirits Woodcarving Group on Facebook, formerly the Carving Fusion World of Woodcarvers. And I just got changed, a couple things changed, but that's the root of it. And I'm very, very proud. It's a tribe. We call it the tribe. It is a family, and it's a big part of my life. And it just so happens that we did a challenge. It started at the beginning of the new year, and we gave people a long time, and now it's all wrapped up and stuff, and we've made a roundup video. And I asked the group, and we got an overwhelming majority said, yes, do her to it. Do it to it, Wowie. So we're going to share it today. Now, the challenge was the New Year, New Leaf Challenge. And so the project had to have at least one leaf incorporated in the design, but also we encouraged people to try something they hadn't tried before. Turn a new leaf. It's a new year, challenge yourself. Big part of being an artist and a creator is always challenging yourself, always learning, right? And Kindred Spirits is an amazing place to do just that. I'm going to put the link to that woodcarving group down in the basement, so check that out. Okay, guys, well, enough of my ramble. I'm very, very proud to present the Kindred Spirits Woodcarvers New Year, New Leaf video. Much love. Oh, I did a snail, and I'll do a little picture right here. That snail's mine. Wow, we did the snail for Baby Ivy. Okay, done. And a huge shout out to all our members, and I'd like to thank the WOLFPACK, aka the admin team, for everything they do. We got Claire Bear, we got Chris the Viking Warrior, we got Prairie Larry Dale, we got Chris Behringer, Wheels, we got Stu McKenzie in the background, and I'd also like to thank the DIGI WHIZ. That's my Cuzzin Kael for his awesome work on our new logo. Thank you, bud. Much love, everyone.